Welcome back to the Second Chance Garage. Okay, I had this had originally had a fuel pump on it, and I bypassed it, and I put a new carburetor on it. I ordered off eBay, and the new carburetor had too small a jet in it, main jet in it. That's why it wouldn't work. So my dad decided instead of just cleaning the other one, he was going to Frankenstein some of the parts off the new one onto the old one. And it actually runs like a top. Starts right up. I got it adjusted, and I have on this side, you're supposed to have 120 volts coming out. I've got 120 to 121, and on the other side here, them are 240 volts, and I've got 240 and be bouncing between 240 and 242 at 20 amps. So they are right there. So I'm going to consider that done. Now, I tried this without the fuel pump, and I had it looped where it came down and looped up to here to the fuel inlet. Well, it wasn't enough, so I had to rig up a gravity feed, and I just got these zip ties on here to hold it off of the exhaust. I've got to do something better than that later. And that seemed to help, but it didn't fix. I tried that with the new carburetor on it, and it didn't fix the problem. Well, then I figured out that once we took the two carburetors apart, the new carburetor had a smaller main jet in it. So anyway, I got her dialed in and got her running now. But I am going to have to do something about that, about the way I got that run. That's without the fuel pump. The reason why they had the fuel pump in it is because they had the fuel line ran down here, and it looped underneath the exhaust system up to the fuel inlet. That's why they had the fuel pump on there, because it ran into the fuel pump, which you can't see, and then ran out, down, and uphill. So anyway, I got her pretty close. I'm going to call her done. But anyway, I would start it, but I just ran all the gas out of the carburetor. So, but yeah, everything seems to be going good. So this generator project is finally done, and I can fuel it. And I got to do an oil change in it, and then I can take it back to the owner. So I will have to come up with, like I said, come up with a plan for keeping that hose away from the exhaust. It's got that little heat shield flap right here. Right, ouch, that's hot as crap. This little flapper right here, but I want more than that. I got to keep it away from it. And I got to figure out how to do it without crimping it off. So anyway, that'll be unique. Might just come up with a bracket or something to pull this tighter and clamp it onto here. But you're supposed to have a fuel pump, but you don't need it if you do the gravity feed. So anyway, Second Chance Garage out.